Okay, Toth. Oh, 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 oh! Yes! Let's go. Here we go. Yes! Okay, Trent. Here we go. That's out. Oh, Caleb! Oh! Mr. Hardy's in. Let's go, Jones is back in. In the back over there. Oh yeah, showing that good sportsmanship. We love it, we love it.
Let's go, Holiday!
All right, Holiday! Here we go, here we go. All right, Maggie stepping up to serve. Dang. Colin stepping up to the serve. Oh! That is out. Okay, we got Trent. Yes! Come on, students, come on. Nail it to him. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! One more, we just need one more. Oh! Here comes Corbin, up to serve. Oh! It is 11-14. This is round 2. We're just 1 point away, and the staff are catching up. Oh boy. What? What? Yes! Woo! Students win! Let's go!